Hello, I'm Richard from the Soap Kitchen, and we're going to show you how to make a really cost-effective, simple moisturising lotion. This uses very basic form of emulsifying wax, natural oils, water, and once you've grasped this recipe you'll be able to make variations of it very easily. Okay, so this is a two-phase recipe, although most of it is actually made in one phase. The ingredients you're going to need are 48 grams of sweet almond oil, 32 grams of coconut oil, this is the refined hard variety, 20 grams of emulsifying wax, this is a very simple Stereth 21 emulsifying wax, 10 grams of cetyl alcohol. Then you need just 1 gram of citric acid, and you've got some vegetable glycerin, just 4 grams. Stearic acid here, 10 grams, and some clean water, 300 grams. Then for the next phase, which is very simple, it's just the addition of some preservative. We're using GSB, and the optional essential oil fragrance oil. Then for the utensils, you're going to need weighing scales, measuring spoons, saucepan, heat-proof bowl or jug, balloon whisk, and the obligatory stick blender. Then we've got 2 bottles here with suitable closures. We've chosen to use disc tops here, but you could equally choose to use lotion pumps.